Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a mirror that I'm going to make. I'm just going to add some added touch to it because I like the glass mirrors that I see online, but they're a little too much money for me. So I'm going to make one for myself. Alright, let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, before we do that, I'd like to add these mirrored pieces. Okay, I get them over here at Dollarama for $1.50, but I see them online at Amazon and they have them like for $10, which you do get 5 sheets in the pack for the $10, so that's not too bad. Over here, if I was to buy 5 sheets at Dollarama, it would be $7.50, but it's not bad. Alright everyone, we have the E6000 that we'll be using to glue down our mirrored pieces. And I have this mirror that I got from Walmart for just $35. And we have our mirrored pieces. Okay, I forgot to add earlier that I will leave a link in my description box to the site on Amazon for you guys to go over and check out the mirrored pieces that they have. And we have our X-Acto knife, which I got from Dollar Tree. They come 3 in the pack. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we're just going to take our mirrored pieces and we're going to measure them out. And then we're going to place them along the inner side of our mirror. And we're going to use the E6000, you guys, and glue them down. Remember, don't use the glue gun. Nope. Use E6000 or any kind of tacky glue. You know, the Gorilla Glue or whatever other kinds tacky glues there are out there. But don't use the hot glue gun. Alright, everyone. Also, everyone, when you're cutting the mirrored pieces, use an X-Acto knife, not the scissors. If you use the scissors, it chips the mirror, it breaks the mirror, and then that's not good. So use an X-Acto knife. All right. Here's our finished look, you guys. OMG. I am in love. I absolutely love it. Now, this is what I wanted. I wanted a nice mirror piece for my home. And you know, I'm a diva on a budget, like I tell you guys. And this mirror cost me it cost me about $50 to make it. $50, you guys. And I've been eyeing these things online for cost over $100. I've been going in Canada we have Home Sense. I have been going into them and eyeing them. It's too much money for my pocket. OMG. But look at this. Look at this. Got the mirror in Walmart. I've got the pieces in Dollarama. And there you go. A lovely wall. A lovely mirrored wall decor. You guys like how my entryway turned out with the mirrored vase and these end candle holders that I did and added to the mirror. Now my entryway looks nice and fresh for spring. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely home decor on a budget for you to do. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. Don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and tell me if you like this DIY. Don't forget to press that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone. And now say that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I